Hello children, how are you today? I hope you all are fine. Today's our good thought is never stop learning. Never stop learning. And today's our subject is maths. Today's our subject is maths. And today's our topic is big and small. Big and small. Let's start. Do you see here balls? Yes, there are two balls. How many balls are there? Two balls. One and two. One and two. There are two balls. Do you see here difference between its size? Yes, very good. This one is big ball. This one is big. And this one is small. Big, small. Big, small. This one is big. And this one is small. This one is big. And this one is small. Very good. Now, next, do you see here apples? Yes, very good. There are two apples. How many apples are there? Two. Let's count. One and two. One and two. There are two apples. Do you see here difference between its size? Yes, very good. One is small and one is big. This apple is small and this one is big. One is small and one is big. Very good. Now, next. What is this? Do you know? Is this tiger? No. No. This is not a tiger. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Very good. And what is this? Do you know? Yes, very good. This is a rat. What is this? This is a rat. Yes. And elephant is big. And rat is small. Rat is small. Elephant is big. And rat is small. Big and small. One is big and one is small. Now you tell me which one is small? Is this small? No. This is a small. Yes. This ball is small. This ball is small. Yes, very good. Now you tell me which apple is big and which apple is small. This one is big. This is a big apple. This is a big apple. And this is a small apple. This is a small apple. Now you tell me. Do you see here rat? Yes, very good. Is it small or big? Yes, it is a small. It is a small. And the elephant is big. And the elephant is big. Roly poly, big, big, big. These are two balls. Two balls. Am I right? Yes. And which one is big? Which one is big? This one? This one? Yes. This one is a big. Now next. What is this? These are balloons. How many balloons are there? Two. How many balloons are there? Two. Do you see here difference between its size? Do you see? Yes. One is big and one is small. One is big and one is small. This balloon is big and this balloon is small. This balloon is small. This is a big balloon. This is a big balloon and this is a small balloon. Now, what is this? This is a bucket. This is a bucket. There are two buckets. There are two buckets. One is big and one is small. One bucket is big and one bucket is small. This is big bucket and this is small bucket. Now, you tell me, what is this? These are balloons. Balloons. How many balloons are there? Two. And you tell me, which is big and which one is small? Blue is big balloon. Blue is big balloon and green is small. This one is small. Blue is big and green is small. Blue is big balloon and the green is small balloon. Yes, very good. Now, this one, what is this? This is a plate. This is a plate. And what is this? This is also plate. But this is a big plate and this is a small plate. This is a big and this is a small. Very good. Now, these are two fish. These are two fishes. How many fishes are there? Two. One is small and one is big. One fish is small and one fish is big. Is that clear, children? Yes, very good. See, worksheet. Circle the small object. Circle the small object. It means circle the small object. There are two dogs. How many dogs? Two. One is big and one is there are two houses. How many houses? Two. One is small and one is big. Is this big? No. This is a small. So, circle on it. Okay. Now, there are two kites. How many kites? Two kites. One is small and one is big. One is small and one is big. Which one is small? Yes, very good. This is a small. This is a small kite. So, circle on it. Okay. Now next worksheet. Now cross the big object. Cross the big object. Now this duck is big and this is small. This is small and this is big. So cross on it. Okay? Understood? Yes, very good. Now, which one is big? Which one is big? Yes, this tree is big. So, cross on it. Now, there are two houses. Which one is big? Yes, it is a big. It is a big. So, cross. How to make cross? Slanting line. Another slanting line. And it's make cross. Now, there are two kites. Which one is big? Yes, this one is big. So, let's cross. Now, collect big and small objects from your home and point to the big object and say, this is a big. And point to the small object and say,